Hello friends, I am Dr. Kuldeep Jain, Director KJ and Laparoscopy Center, Delhi and Faridabad. I am Founder Secretary and past President of Indian Fertility Society and was Chairperson Endometriosis Committee FOXI. I have been practicing endoscopy and ART for last 35 years, and I will be sharing some of the video clips of different procedures, both hysteroscopy and laparoscopy, which can enhance the outcome in infertile patients. Endoscopic procedures have been used solely for enhancement as well as along with ART. I am thankful to Dr. Sudha Prasad and her team for taking this initiative. This is a wonderful platform under IFS, and it is providing a lot of information to all of us. I am also thankful to Zydus as well as DocMode for coordinating and giving academic support to this platform. So please join me on 23rd June at 3 p.m. to discuss the fertility enhancing endoscopy. Thank you very much.